Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the Telegram app when it shows as expired. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry. We've got you covered with some simple steps to get your app back up and running smoothly. First, try logging out and then logging back in to your Telegram account. This can help refresh the app and resolve any temporary issues that may be causing it to show as expired. If that doesn't work, try logging out of all devices and then logging back in. Sometimes, the app may be experiencing a synchronization issue across multiple devices that logging out and back in can fix. Next, you can try clearing the cache files for the Telegram app. To do this, go to your device's settings, then Apps, and find Telegram. Tap on it and select Clear Data. Then choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files that may be causing the issue. Make sure the Telegram app is allowed to run in the background by checking your device's battery optimization settings. This can ensure that the app stays active and doesn't get restricted by your device's settings. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the app to ensure you have the latest version and that any potential bugs or issues are cleared out. Make sure to download the app from a reputable source to avoid any further problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Telegram app when it shows as expired and get back to messaging and connecting with your friends and contacts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.